I am so freaking stupid. Wow, that camera's kind of weird. Oh my god, I want to watch episode number 7. Yeah.
And it's me again, of course. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, guys. Yeah, it's me. I just am so mad right now. Because I just, I'll do that later. But I just, kind of made tools and whatnot. And I thought I was recording until I decided to stop it, but it wouldn't let me stop because I didn't actually hit record. But I made these tools, made a bigger chest, I made this catastrophe. Yeah, and I made a little basement downstairs. I got 3 more wheat from my farm, and everything's just good. Oh yeah, I got some clay from down at the lake. I should really name it like Ye Old Lake or something. I should start naming stuff. Oh god, I can't even make one sign. There we go. I'm just gonna call it Ye Old Lake. Oh god, they're still out? The sun. Well, sun's rising, so all the monsters over there are dying. Made a staircase and a bridge over here, so. Die quietly. But I need it. Oh god, no. Die quieter. I just chopped down some trees. Got the. Oh god, no. Oh, you're sniper style. But I got some clay from. Ye Old Lake. That sounds really weird, but whatever. Actually, that might be the title of this one. Ye Old Lake. Number 8. It's number 8, right? Yeah, number 8. Can't believe we're on episode number 8 already. I don't know what I'm gonna do for like something special for number 10. But I don't know what I'm gonna do for number 10 is gonna be like a special thing. Only if I get a certain amount of likes or something. So if I only get, like, I have to get, you guys decide in this episode, what should I do for the 10th episode, Minecraft episode spectacular. I could do what Syndicate does, put, up, this world for download every 10 episodes. I could, because I know how, and it's not that hard. I could link it to you guys, and link it to the 10th episode, with like the 11th episode, because it takes me a while. But yeah, I could do it if you guys wanted to. That's 64. That gets you 64 bricks. Oh, it's 16. Bye me. Just bricks don't even look good. Bricks look terrible. Like I like. Just there's nothing. Okay, you know what? I'm tired of this. Wait, no, I don't need an axe. I'll take half that wood. 28. Or 28. Oh yeah. You know what? It's kind of weird how I'm holding 28 cubic feet of wood. Or 50 cubic feet of cobblestone. It's kind of weird, right? And 8 cubic feet of iron. And 42 cubic feet of gravel. And 64 cubic feet of cobblestone. It's kind of weird how you can hold that much. Freaking zombies and dungeons around here now. I need to eat. That was my last bread. I'll cherish it forever. I forgot to do the hole here. Coal. Never have enough coal. You can never have too much coal. Basically, you can never have too much. Oh, redstone. Oh, iron ore! I just freak out the most for diamonds and iron ore. Because iron ore is like my favorite type of tool. I know diamond's stronger, but iron's like my favorite type of tool. Except for when it comes to, like, when I'm mining, I'll use, like, just, like, only iron tools. And then, like, when I'm doing, like, yard work, I'll do, like, use, like, diamond tools. And the highest hoe I'll go up to is, like, a wood. And the highest one I'll go to is iron. Because I don't really want to waste all of my stuff. Like, I don't want to waste 2 diamonds on a hoe, but then it's a hoe. You know, you're not going to use it once. But, so, there's 2 parts to that. Take a quarter of that, 8 in here, and 8 in here for when I need to cook something. Let's put in 64 cobblestone. Put that stuff here. And put the bone in, put it in. So, I just put, actually, I'm going to put stuff that's not mining related. I'll put a sign. Not M-I-N-I-N-G-I-N-G. Not minic fail. Related. Related. Not mining related. Saplings, bone meal, egg, flint. Flint is sort of ground. Flower, seeds, arrows, dirt. Dirt is sort of, and sort of not. Glass is not. Glass panes. Okay, yeah, I'm doing good. Okay, I'll make another iron pick. 2 iron picks, actually. Or should I make an iron shovel? I'll just make 2 iron picks. I didn't put enough sticks in. Got 4 freaking iron picks, but one's so close to breaking. And I'll make an iron shovel. 1. Just 1. Because I've got a stone shovel and it's holding up. And I should make an iron sword. Just because I can. And there could be mobs around. Sand is not mining related. The sticks. Actually, I'll keep the sticks with me. My torch is on me at all times. So, got everything. Redstone. Gotcha. Oh, I do want that redstone though. You need redstone, I guess. Just mine in a couple blocks. And then this. And patch up the mistakes after. There you go. Okay, that's episode 7. So this is episode 8. And I think this has been going on for about at least 6 minutes so far. So I don't know, because I don't have a timer. I'm going to download a timer for people. So actually off the App Store. Okay, so see you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.